Hey there, welcome to my channel Craftylity. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these cute paper dolls. If you are new here, then do subscribe to my channel and click bell icon to get notifications of latest videos. So let's get started. For this, I am using a paper strip which measures 11 inches and I have glued 40 strips together to create a tight coil. For this project, I am using a paper shredder and I have shredded few waste papers. Create a tight coil and glue the end. Create one more such tight coil. I have also created two small tight coils using 20 strips. Create a dome. For this, I am using D10 dome size. Apply glue. Spread the glue with the help of brush and keep it aside to dry. We'll do the same thing for second dome, but second dome would be little flattened from bottom as this is a base. For this, I am using a cap of my Fevicol bottle. For smaller dome, I am using D7 dome size. Once the dome is ready, apply glue and spread the glue using brush. Repeat this with other tight coil. So now we have 4 domes, 2 large and 2 small. Now we'll glue both the large domes together. For this, apply the glue at the edge of the dome and place the other dome over it. Apply little glue on the center and wrap a strip of paper on it. This will secure the dome. For smaller dome too, we'll repeat the same thing. We'll apply the glue on the edge and place smaller dome over it. For this, I am using half strip and wrap that strip around the dome. Now keep it aside and allow it to dry. Once both the balls are dried, glue the smaller ball with larger ball. Allow it to dry. Once it is dried, you can grab a pencil and draw the design on it. Now I am drawing a sari and hair. and I'm painting this doll with acrylic colors. You can paint minute details on the doll. Once red, green and skin colors are completed, you can draw an outline to give the depth and finishing. And also I am drawing some pattern on the doll's sari. painted few jewelry on the doll. So thus doll is ready. I have also painted male doll with yellow kurta and white dhoti. For the hair bun, I am using 8 strips of paper and created a small dome using D4 dome size. Paint that dome with black color and then glue it on back side of the head. I hope you like these dolls. Thank you for watching and see you in other videos.